you work, there's usually an unsung hero who quietly makes a big difference without receiving a whole lot of fanfare.
We have a lot of those
We
here.
do, yeah.
Yeah, and in this morning's Zeverly Zone, Jeff visits Balboa Park and a reimagined San Diego Automotive Museum.
This showroom floor is filled with beauties, but it's the man behind the curtain who makes this place shine. During the depths of COVID,
we were completely closed for 18 months.
the San Diego Automotive Museum would have completely stalled if not for the commitment of one man. Ray was very busy.
Very, very busy, yes.
Operations manager Sally Hansen says they needed a museum makeover.
Before it was just like a big barn.
So 71-year-old Ray Gutierrez, the maintenance manager, rolled up his sleeves. And sparks started flying.
I build it. That's what I do.
How does that feel?
Feel good. I'm happy because I work around cars, and which I love.
The son of a Tijuana car dealer, Ray still commutes from his hometown. How long did it take you to get to work?
3.5 hours.
In 2016, Ray's wife, Rebecca, of 45 years, passed away.
It was very hard. Very, very hard.
Pictures and notes left by his granddaughters have kept his motor running. Your eyes may be drawn to that $7 million Mercedes, but it was Ray who welded that sign and built these walls. Working closely with a graphics designer, Ray handmade these curving walls that tell a story.
Everything you see here that's different and new and exciting and architectural is Ray.
Throughout the pandemic, Ray quietly crafted with results that'll make your head spin. This place looks great.
Doesn't it? I would ask that anyone who saw the Auto Museum before COVID, please come back because there have been some extraordinary changes.
In a museum where flashy and fast sells tickets, slow and steady won the race.
If there's anybody that you could ever say that about, it's him. He was a fabulous husband. He's wonderful to the guests. All of the employees love him. He's basically just as nice a person as you would ever know.
I believe I'm going to be here till I die. I would like to do that.
In the Zeverly Zone,
Ray is such a joy to work with.
it's the man behind the curtain, Jeff Zeverly, who makes this place shine. CBS 8.